But three eateries in the small town of Wickenburg decided to open up early, despite the governor extending the order. Now all three are being threatened with legal action by the town's prosecutor, and they all have the same lawyer. His name is Anthony Ramirez, and we asked him about this potential legal battle.
We don't want to be in court. We don't want to challenge anything in court. What we want the city of Wickenburg is to leave our clients alone.
Lydia's La Canasta, Bedoyan's Bakery, and Horseshoe Cafe all opened for business, dine-in and carry-out on May 1st. The governor's executive order, as it applies to restaurants, extends now to May 11th. And that's why all three got this letter from Wickenburg Town Prosecutor Eileen McGuire. It threatens all three business owners with a Class 1 misdemeanor for violating the governor's executive order.
When he was supposed to open up the state on May 1st and didn't do that, he moved the goalpost and subsequently began to pick winners and losers.
Ramirez concedes that federal and state governments do have the option to suspend the rights of individuals and businesses during a crisis. This dates back to a 1905 Supreme Court decision about a smallpox vaccine in Massachusetts.
There's no problem with the order. The problem is it's not being applied equally.
As Ramirez sees it, big box stores like Target and Walmart, even Fry's and Safeway, can stay open because they sell groceries and so are free to run just like they did before the pandemic. Want to go inside one of those stores and eat while you shop? That's legal. But the bakery and restaurants in Wickenburg are restricted. Ramirez also points to Arizona's coronavirus numbers being lower than first expected. But he isn't willing to agree that the reason for those lower numbers may be the shutdown of businesses like those he represents.
To threaten to punish otherwise legally operating business owners, I think is un-American.
Also, according to Ramirez, all three business owners received that letter from the town of Wickenburg, and all three continue to operate anyway. So even though restaurants are legally allowed to open back up for dine-in service on Monday, this one still may end up in court.